In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Meta Business Suite Planner. We'll walk through the main features step by step so you can confidently plan, schedule, and organize your content across your Facebook and Instagram accounts. By the end, you'll know exactly where everything is and how to use it to stay consistent with your posting. First, open your browser and go to Meta Business Suite. You can do this by searching for Meta Business Suite or by going directly to the main Business Suite homepage. Make sure you're logged into the Facebook account that manages your business assets. Otherwise, you might not see the right pages or profiles. Once you're inside Meta Business Suite, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Planner. This is the content calendar area where you'll be able to see all your upcoming and past posts, stories, and reels laid out by date. It's basically your central hub for planning content. At the top of the planner, you'll see options to switch between month and week views. Click on month if you want a big picture overview of your content strategy over several weeks. This is great for seeing gaps in your schedule. Click on week if you want a more detailed day-by-day breakdown of what's going out and when. You can switch back and forth at any time depending on how much detail you need. Next, look for the arrows near the top of the calendar. Click these arrows to move from one week or month to the next. This makes it easy to plan ahead, not just for the current period, but also for future campaigns, promotions, or launches. On the right-hand side, you'll find a button labeled Start New Goal. Click this to create a new goal for your content, such as increasing engagement or driving more traffic. Setting a goal here helps you stay intentional with what you post, because you can plan content that supports those specific outcomes instead of posting at random. Just below the Start New Goal option, you'll see a Create button with a small arrow drop down. Click that arrow to choose what type of content you want to create, a new post, story, or reel. This is a quick way to start building content directly from the planner, and you can choose which platforms it should appear on. Another useful shortcut is to hover your mouse over a future date on the calendar. When you do this, a plus icon will appear on that day. Click the plus icon and a menu will pop up, allowing you to choose whether you want to create a post, reel, or story for that specific date. This is ideal when you're mapping out content in advance, because it automatically anchors your content to the correct day. From there, you simply select your content type and continue with Meta's usual creation flow, adding your media, captions, and scheduling details. Using these simple tools in the Meta Business Suite Planner will help you stay organized, post consistently, and keep your content aligned with your business goals.